Thank God, it's a Friday na naman po, April 30, 2021. Katapusan ng linggo, katapusan ng buwan. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro, nag-aanyaya sa isa na namang edisyon ng The Stock Market Today. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 at ginagawa ko po itong stock market report araw-araw at ginawa ko pong na nag-umpisa po ako noong August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang news po natin ay tungkol sa Philex Mining, kasama ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, April 30, 2021 dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, the PSEI lost 116.64 points. That's 1.8% to end at 6370.87 on a profit-taking Friday. Kung titignan po natin ang market summary, 110 companies declined, 91 advanced while 47 remained unchanged. As for the all-share index, it lost 1.13%, while all the sectoral indices are down except for mining, which gained 2.08%. The decliners was led by properties at 2.81%, followed by the holding companies at 1.79%. As for the most active stocks, let's start with a good note. Let's start with Philex. Of course, we have news on Philex. And then Ali, SM, SMPH, BPI, Glow, BDO, ICT, ACEN, and PNB. Now, most of the index stocks are down today, which is why our PSE index is down. So let's start with a good note, Philex. It's a mining stock that has been moving higher in the past few days. This is the fourth successive green candlestick, and it is malaking tinaas niya, 7.09%. So the breakout started on April 15 and nag-consolidate ng konti, pero kung makikita nyo yung candlestick, pataas na pataas siya. Yung earnings ng Philex is meron siyang net income of 1.23 billion, or that's 289% higher than the previous year. And let's take a look at the news on Philex. So this came from the PSE index. Yung news on Philex is on their press release on their net income in first quarter 2021 due to higher metal prices. So they have a 540 million core net income in first quarter 2021 due to higher metal prices. So just 3 bullet points in the disclosure to the PSE. The first quarter 2021 core net income of 540 million is 5 times higher than the first quarter 2019 of 103 million, due mainly to higher revenues as a result of higher metal prices. The EBITDA, or the earnings before interest, income taxes, depreciation, and amortization for the first quarter 21 increased to 1.11 billion, 1.011 billion from 419 million in the first quarter of 2020, And the third bullet is favorable metal prices and production sustained the steady climb of both revenue and core net income since the first quarter of 2020. So yun po ang ating good news on Philex, which had been moving higher in the past 4 or 5 days. At kung titingnan po natin yung I think we are in a 52-week high. Yes, 6.95 yung 52-week high. So yung high ngayon was, yes, 695. So it reached an all-time high today at 695. And what more can I say on Philex? I cannot place a resistance here, but we could place a support based on the technicals. Nandito yung support. Nasa 5.77 po. 5.70 to 5.80 yung nearest support ni Philex. Pero, ingat lang po tayo dito dahil yung RSI niya is overbought at 86. Pagka lumagpas po ng 70 yan, overbought na po ang stock. So that's my take on Philex. And the next most active, let's take a look at Ali. Okay, Ali declined by 70 centavos to end at 32.20. So bearish ang sentiment niya. Support is still here holding at actually 32.20 is the support. 32.15 to 32.25 yan po yung support area ni Ali. The sentiment is bearish with RSI is at 35. And then SM. Okay, SM also declined by 7 pesos to end at 961. Support is here at 953 to 954 po yung support. Meron siyang dividends, I think, yes, 425. Ex-date is May 10. Payment date is May 27. Kung bibili po kayo at gusto nyo maki-ride sa dividend ni SM, before May 10 po kayo bumili. Dahil ex-date na po yung May 10. Ang ibig sabihin po ng ex-date, excluded na po kayo sa dividends on that date. So that's for SM. And next will be SMPH. Okay, SMPH also declined at 34.45, losing 1 peso and 45 centavos, but support is here at 34.40 to 34.50 with the stock more or less moving sideways. RSI is bearish at 44.30. So bearish to sideways po ang movement ni SM with support at 34.40 to 34.50. After SMPH, dito naman tayo sa financials, BPI. Okay, BPI continues to move sideways, losing 70 centavos, not much. In general, it's still moving sideways with RSI at 58, 57. Pero kung yung formation ng candlesticks ang titingnan natin in relation to our moving averages are piercing through the candlesticks. Then, GLO. Matagal na nating hindi na-review si GLO. Naku, red engulfing candlestick. Laki ng bagsak niya, 53 centavos. Pero it looks intimidating, Pero 53 pesos ang binaba niya or 2.81%. Resting at support, which is here at 1833. Precisely yung closing price niya. Bearish ang sentiment ni GLO. And then after GLO, BDO. BDO lost 2 pesos 90 centavos to end at 103 pesos and 10 centavos. And support is at 100 to 101, while nearest resistance is 110. Pero may sub-resistance po tayo, if I may coin that word, at 106 to 107 pesos. So 110 to 107 yung next support level. 110 to 111 ang next support level ni BDO. And then ICT. Talagang profit taking and Friday tayo ngayon. ICT ended with the red candlestick losing 1 peso and 10 centavos to end at 129.90. Pero this candlestick or the price, that price is higher than our moving averages, which is the 20, 50, and 100-day exponential moving averages. And I would say that the movement of the stock is still bullish as RSI is at 58.77, but our indicators is are under the candlestick. That's why it is bullish yung kanyang sentiment. And then ACEN. ACEN continues to move sideways. It ended with a green candlestick gaining 5 centavos to end at 680. RSI is at 39, bearish. So bearish to sideways ang kanyang movement. And then finally, our last stock, sana maganda ito, PNB. Naku, naka-recover si PNB with an engulfing candlestick. Actually, it's another breakout. So this is a high of 32. The highest is 31.60, almost a 52-week high. Pero nasa resistance level na po ito, and the RSI is at 39.39. I'm sorry. The RSI is at 81, which is already overbought. Ingat lang po tayo dito. So, nagkaroon siya ng another breakout, and since nasa resistance level to, abangan po natin, baka tumaas pa ito o baka mag-consolidate. And dahil oversold ang stock, baka mag-consolidate muna before it moves down. But if it moves higher, then malaki ang potential ni PNB. Kasi malaki yung binagsak niya, no? Tingnan natin yung weekly chart niya. So kung titingnan natin yung weekly chart, ang PNB still has the potential to go higher with the next resistance level here at 37 pesos based on a 1-week chart. So, ingat lang po tayo dito. Pero if it goes higher, the next level to consider is 37 pesos. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market ngayong araw, April 30, 2021, weekend, month-end. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Mag-ingat sa COVID at sa mga scam. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, may God bless you and bye for now.